videotaping it. I don't care. Really? That's police brutality. That is police brutality. That's bullshit. That's just wrong. That's wrong. You can calm down. I'm videotaping it. 3 cops to do that. Stop. You don't even know. I don't care. That's not right. I'm not doing nothing. I know. It's all right. Back up, please. It's all right. Yeah. You're gonna walk away. You're going to say something bad. Oh my God! You're fucking doing nothing. You guys don't have to do that. Now the firemen.
Back up. Please back up.
Now they're gonna go after the firemen.
I'm not fucking doing nothing.
Where's the lieutenant? Stop. No, he doesn't need to push my father. Stop. Is that a Hinsdale cop? Stop. I want a state cop out here. Is that a Hinsdale cop? That is a Hinsdale cop. That's not a New Winchester cop. Why is a Hinsdale cop over here?
Yes, the emergency is we have 3 police officers here that are Excuse me, ladies. Please move back.
And they're taking him in a Hinsdale cruiser?
Like now, there was one
a state cop